Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, mixture problem. Or sometimes you can also call it solution problem kasi liquid. Yung mga ganitong problem, normally we use algebraic approach, pero meron din mga alternate approach, although hindi siya necessarily maintindihan ng lahat kasi mas mahirap intindihin ng konti. Okay? I'll present both and you be the judge as to which one do you like more. So, unahin ko muna yung algebraic approach. When you're trying to analyze here, we need to know what do we need to come up. For example, ito yung volume of the drink. So, sabi niya, 3 liters doon sa una. That was 10% sugar. So, yung 10% na ito is what you call the concentration. So, in this case, 10%. So, meron kang another drink, we don't know yet, and that is 30% sugar. So, that means, itong dalawa, ipagsasama natin sila so that they will come up with the mix. 24% is the concentration. How many liters of the 30% sugar drink? Ito yung gusto niya naman, kaya ito yung nangyayari sa magiging si X. Now, pag X ito, ano naman yung volume ng mixture?
X plus 3?
Okay, X plus 3, 3 plus X. So, ano yung very crucial na magiging algebraic equation natin? That will be the volume of your sugar. Siyempre, yung pinaghalo natin na dalawang drink dito, yung sugar content niya should be equal to the sugar content of the final. So, how much sugar do we have in the first drink?
0.3?
So, 0.1 times 3 muna tayo. Plus 30% X or 0.3X. And dito naman, magiging 0.24 times X plus 3. Imbis na isa-solve natin to, didistribute ko lang siya. Ano mangyayari? 0.24 times X plus 0.24 times 3. Lahat ng may X to the left side, lahat ng walang X to the right side. Okay? 0.3X minus 0.24X equal to 0.24 times 3 minus 0.1 times 3. 0.3 minus 0.24 ay ano? 0.06. On the right side, since they both have the factor of 3, ano mangyayari? 0.24 minus 0.1. 0.24 minus 0.1, this will now become 0.14. Since I want to solve for x, so I divide both by 0.06. The 0.14 and the 0.06, you can simply remove the two decimal places of each. So this will now become 14 and this will now become. So lowest term the 14 and the 6, this will now become 7 and this now becomes 3. And 3 and 3, that becomes 1 and 1. Therefore, x is equals to 7. This is the normal algebraic strategy. The other approach, depende na kung magagets natin. Okay, I'll just try. Tandaan natin, yung 10% gusto natin siya maging 24%. Kaya nagdagdag tayo ng mas matapang. Ilan ba yung kulang natin? Ilang liters ng sugar ang meron tayo dito? 0.3 liters. Pero pag sinabi natin 24%, what is 24% of 3? 0.72 liters. 0.72 liters ang target mo, pero 0.3 lang yung meron mo. Ang kulang mo ay 0.42 liters. Eh ngayon, saan ka kukuha ng 0.42 liters? Siyempre, dito sa kabila. 24% yung nandito. So kung 30% minus 24% ay 6%. That means every liter, 6% yung makukuha. Kung 1 liter siya, 0.06 liter of sugar ang meron mo. Pag 2 liters, so 0.12 liters, right? Ilang liters yung kailangan natin para makuha natin yung 0.42 liters? 7. Kaya X natin dito is 7. So again, depende na lang kung aling approach ang gets nyo at mas gusto nyong gamitin sa actual exam. But the answer here is your letter C, number 7. Gets mo ba?
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung UPCAT.